I'm very happy to be here. Hello, everyone. My name is Marie Teme. I am the founder and CEO of Green Vision Cleansing. Green Vision Cleansing is a residential green cleaning business that serves families that value eco-friendly cleaning solutions. Green Vision Cleansing is a value-based company, and one of the values that is really dear in my heart is giving back to the community through charity and volunteering. Before I start sharing my journey as an entrepreneur, I would like to tell you a little bit about myself. I was born in Cameroon. My mom passed away when I was 4 years old. And I met my dad the first time when I was 20 in a very strange way. In a car station, a man sitting next to me, and I looked at him. I said, "You look like, I think you are my dad." And he was my dad. In 2015, I obtained my bachelor degrees in English and French in Cameroon. Then I moved to Senegal to pursue my MBA in international management. I graduated in 2018, January. June 2018, I obtained my certification in project management by the PMI. July 2018, I came to Vermont. In November 2018, I started having this idea of creating a cleaning business, but it wasn't too excited because I was like, who in the world does cleaning with an MBA and a global credential in cleaning? And I remember one thing my aunt told me. She said, "I hope you're going to look for a decent job." And I said, "Auntie, I'm not looking for a decent job. I'm growing my cleaning business." When I started Green Vision Cleansing, one of the limitations that I had was that I didn't know the environment. I was new to Vermont, and Google quickly became my friend. I was searching for people, institutions. I first found SCORE, and I had a mentor in Burlington. It was great. I learned a lot of things, but I kept on searching, and I found Mercy Connections Women's Small Business Program. And I was very lucky that I had no money, but Mercy Connections offered me a full scholarship. In December 2019, I graduated from Mercy Connections. I registered my business as an LLC, and the pandemic hit. I have no job, no stream of income until July 2020. I had my first official client. I ran my business for a year with no car. I spent $7,000 in transportation, Uber, hiring people. Then I hired my first employee in December 2020. Linda is still working for me until now. Last year, July 2021, one of my clients gave me a car, the car that I'm currently driving. I struggled to finding people to work, and at some point I was like, I think I'm just going to stick with Linda, and we're going to have the number of people we can serve. Then I had a shift in my thinking. I said, I'm going to look for the right people, and I'm going to find them. And today I have 5 people working for me, and my goal is to grow my team to 10 people. And my long-term goal is to have my cleaning product in the market. And my other long-term goal is to create a school and an orphanage in Cameroon, because I am an orphan and I want to be an inspiration for orphan kids. Thank you for listening.